At least 29 people have been killed due to a cholera outbreak in several regions of Syria, which has now spread to the Turkish border. The United Nations has called it the worst outbreak in the war-torn country for years. Rapid assessment testing confirmed 338 cases since the outbreak was first recorded last month, with the bulk of deaths and cases in the North Aleppo province, the Syrian Health Ministry said in a statement on Monday. 230 cases were reported in Aleppo province, with 25 people confirmed dead. The UN this month said that the outbreak was believed to be linked to the irrigation of crops using contaminated water and people drinking unsafe water from the Euphrates River, which bisects Syria from north to east. The highly contagious disease has also spread to the country's Kurdish-held and opposition areas in north and northwestern Syria, where millions have been displaced by the decade-long conflict, the medical officials said. Suspected cholera cases have risen to 2,092 in the northeast of Syria, the US-based International Rescue Committee, which operates in the northern region, said, adding that there were fears of significant underreporting of cases. Western NGOs said that the access to safe drinking water is a huge challenge in Syria, which has 40% less drinking water than before the conflict began after widespread destruction of national water infrastructure. Water scarcity is further compounded by the climate change. The Syrian civil defense rescue workers operating in the opposition territory said on Monday that the medics reported the first 3 cases of cholera in the sprawling, overcrowded Kafr Lucen camps near the border with Turkey. The UN has warned of high mortalities if cholera spreads in the densely populated strip where tens of thousands of displaced Syrians live in dire conditions with limited supplies of safe water and sanitation. The World Health Organization has already begun sending urgent shipments of medical supplies and chlorine tablets for water purification, the official said.